Hi, this is Adair from Abstract Money. Today I want to go over a new feature of Abstract 0.20 called Interchain Abstract Accounts. So these are similar to Interchain accounts available in the Cosmos SDK, though each of these accounts are actually smart contracts which allow for full programmability and automations and can be extended. And our goal with this is to enable far more advanced interchain applications, as well as enable a far smoother interchain experience for users. We will be supporting native ICA accounts in the future, in a future release of the SDK. So what are abstract accounts? Abstract accounts are smart contract wallets whose functionality can be extended by installing modules on them. And modules are like Web2 microservices who encapsulate a piece of business logic and can be composed with other modules to form more advanced applications. And so this example that we have here is 42's chain agnostic autocompounder, which can work on any DEX for any asset pair across IBC. And so you can see here the autocompounder module is installed and depends on the DEX module and the staking module, both of which, or all three of which, are installed on the account itself. And we go over this more in depth in a couple of our other videos on our YouTube channel, so don't hesitate to check that out. What interchain abstract accounts enable are outpost-based applications. So what we have right here is Mars Protocol's hub and outpost model that they use for their red bank, where the Mars hub is their own app chain, and their chain controls outposts that are available on other app chains such as Osmosis. And the hub, as with Interchain Abstract Accounts, is the controller of all of these, and it allows for functionality to be orchestrated over multiple different chains. It also allows for liquidity to pass through many different chains, which enhances the availability of that liquidity in Mars's lending market. And with Interchain Abstract Accounts, as each account, each remote account is an abstract account, they can also have additional interchain accounts or ICA outposts. And this enables a lot more advanced interchain applications, as well as vault strategies, or anything that requires automation of actions across multiple different chains. And for the end user, this is what we've been calling chain abstraction, where you have one account that you interact with multiple accounts on multiple different chains. And to the end user, it just feels like they're using their account. They're just using an application. They shouldn't know what's happening in the background on any of these app chains, like as we see in this example here, where we're taking some assets from Cosmos Hub, from Doravoda, Injective, and Stride. We're requesting them back to the home, and then we're sending them over IBC to Barbie. And definitely check out our talk at Nebular. When all you have is Cosmos, everything looks like a chain, and you'll break down why Barbie is in this little slide. So an easy ICAA or Interchain Abstract Account application would be having an account on Juno, sending that Juno to Osmosis, swapping that Juno for Osmo using the DEX adapter on that Interchain Abstract account, and then sending that Juno back to your home, or sending the Osmo back home and then swapping that Osmo back for Juno, and you are right back where you started. You've just spent a little bit of gas. So we'll be going over this in a few minutes, so feel free to stick around if you want to nerd out with some code. Otherwise, another example application could be an interchain leverage strategy. This is using purely interchain abstract accounts. When ICA functionality is available, there are quite a few more advanced applications that you can build. But in here, you can take USDC and lever up on Juno. So yeah, anyway, thanks for listening. And if you want to stick around and see the actual code in progress or working, then definitely do. Otherwise, check out our docs, join our Discord, give us any feedback, or give us some ideas, or play with it. We're hackers at our core, and we love to see cool things built with the Interchain. So, yeah, thanks.